Reporting lost luggage. Henry is at the lost and found claim counter. His luggage was lost after the plane landed.
Hello, sir. How may I assist you today?
Hello. Unfortunately, I'm here to report that my luggage seems to be missing.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, sir. Have you thoroughly checked around, sir?
Yes, I've searched quite thoroughly.
Okay, could you provide your name, contact details, and the flight number, please?
It's MB 345. It landed a couple of hours ago.
Could you please provide me with some details about your missing luggage? Have you labeled your luggage with your name?
Absolutely. My name and address are on the tags.
Can you describe any distinctive features on your luggage?
Sure. It's a black medium-sized suitcase with a distinctive red luggage tag attached. I'd checked it in at JFK Airport before boarding the flight.
I see. Could you confirm your name, sir?
My name is Henry Smith. Here's my contact number.
Could you spell it out for me, please?
Sure. It's HenrySmith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. We'll do our best to locate your luggage. Do you have any items of significant value or importance inside the suitcase?
Not particularly valuable, but there are some sentimental items and clothes I'll need for my stay here.
I see. We'll file a report and start searching immediately. Could you also provide your destination and the baggage tag number if you have it?
I'm staying at the Hilton Hotel downtown. Unfortunately, I don't have the baggage tag number with me. Is there anything else I can do to assist in finding it?
No problem, sir. We'll contact you as soon as there's any update regarding your luggage. Please wait for our call, and in the meantime, we recommend checking with the airline's customer service as well. Kindly complete this declaration form for us.
Of course. I'll do that right away. Thank you for your help. I hope it turns up soon.
You're welcome, Mr. Smith. We'll do our best. Have a pleasant stay in our city.